This is a scrapyard which is existing in the last 15 years or more with an illegal structure without any approvals, permissions or any sanctions. And they are a source of nuisance and they were in the road widening area for new bridge.
No, but how long, if you are talking about 15 years, how come CCP allowed to them to stay
There
for
were
15 years?
complaints, there were attempts. Earlier they had demolished it, they came back again. They had demolished it from here, they came back again. So now we are removing them completely from here.
No, but 15 years, sir, how come CCP has not taken
Procedures, notices have to be issued, hearings have to be conducted. So it takes its own time. Then there are vacations, then there are various court holidays, so it takes its time.
Even there is a one small house is here. So it is
They
also
converted it into a house. This was an illegal structure.
So everything is
Yeah.
illegal here.
Everything is
So this
illegal.
would be cleaned up now?
Yes.
How will CCP make it sure that such type of illegal structure doesn't come up again?
No,
now?
the road widening is coming here now.
Ah.
The bridge.
ताका लागून तुम्ही काढला हो पहिले?
No,
Because
they're
of-
illegal. We removed it because it's illegal.
It's illegal.
so it is a government property or
Private.
private property.
CCP property.
No, private.
Private property. Okay. Any more illegalities happening in
No other scrapyard. This is the only,
illegal structure is there in Panjim where CCP will take the action on
We
it
have taken already, the entire last week we demolished 2-3 structures.
from Panjim.
Various balconies, structure, we already demolished in and around our jurisdiction.
तेजेर आमकां कळ्ळें की तो गोवा टुरिजमाचो प्रॉपर्टी म्हण सो ताका लागून आमी इशू काडलो की हो जर गव्हर्मेंटाचो जागो आहा जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक एक्शन घेयना
इश्यू काढलो म्हणटा ते केले कितें एक्झॅक्टली
एक्चुअली आमी डी फॉर्मार पळयलें की ती एक्चुअली जागा कोणाची ती तेज्या वयल्यान आमकां कळ्ळें की हो इल्लिगल मायग्रंट गव्हर्मेंटाचो जागो यूज करता ना ताका खंयची एनओसी आहा कांय परमिशन्स ना सो ताका लागून आमकां इशू काडचो पडलो
हांगा मायग्रंट कोण एनक्रोच करून स्क्रॅप यार्ड घातलेलो तो कोण तो खबर आसा तुमकां
तेजे काय खबर ना पण कोणतरी मायग्रंट आसा तो गोंयकार न्हू तो
मेन इशू आज मी काढीत आहा 4:30 वर्सां जाली आमी काढीत आहा आनी फुडें आमी काढीत आसतले आनी आमी वी वॉन्ट स्टॉप वी विल नॉट स्टॉप वी विल हायलायट ऑल द इलिगॅलिटी इश्यूज स्पेशली जे मायग्रंट्स इन्फ्लक्स हो नेगेटीव इन्फ्लक्स जो आहा आमचो नेगेटीव इन्फ्लुएन्स आहा मायग्रंटाचो स्पेशली वीथ लँड